Best air fryers. Are you looking for the best air fryers? In this video we will look at 5 of the best air fryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-Quart Air Fryer. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6 QD XL Air Fryer is a versatile 6-in-1 kitchen appliance designed to simplify cooking and meal prep. It combines multiple functions into one unit, allowing you to air fry, broil, dehydrate, crisp, roast, reheat, and bake with ease. With a spacious 6-quart capacity, it's perfect for preparing meals for families or larger gatherings. This model comes equipped with over 100 in-app recipes, offering inspiration and step-by-step guidance to help you make quick and easy meals. Its intuitive controls and presets take the guesswork out of cooking, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced cooks. The Vortex Plus XL uses powerful air circulation technology to cook food evenly and quickly, delivering crispy, delicious results with less oil compared to traditional frying methods. It's an excellent choice for healthier cooking without sacrificing flavor. Designed with convenience in mind, many parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup hassle-free. The sleek black design from the trusted makers of the Instant Pot fits well in modern kitchens. Overall, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6 QD XL Air Fryer offers a multifunctional, easy-to-use solution for a wide range of cooking needs. Whether you're roasting vegetables, baking desserts, dehydrating snacks, or crisping up fried favorites, this appliance can help you save time while preparing tasty, healthier meals. It's a smart addition to any kitchen looking to combine several cooking appliances into one efficient device. Number 2. Cosori TurboBlaze Air Fryer. The Cosori Air Fryer 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Gray is a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance designed to streamline cooking with healthier results. With a 6-quart capacity, it's large enough to prepare meals for families while maintaining a compact footprint that fits well in most kitchens. Featuring 9 cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, broil, reheat, frozen, proof, dry, and keep warm, this appliance handles a wide variety of cooking tasks. Its standout feature is the TurboBlaze technology, which utilizes a DC motor to deliver faster, more efficient cooking compared to traditional air fryers. The motor allows for precise temperature control ranging from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, offering consistent and even cooking across all modes. The Cosori air fryer is designed to cook food with up to 95% less oil, making it an ideal choice for healthier meals without compromising on flavor or texture. It's also engineered for convenience, with an intuitive digital control panel, easy presets, and dishwasher-safe components for effortless cleanup. Whether you're baking desserts, roasting meats, dehydrating fruits, or quickly reheating leftovers, this air fryer offers flexibility and efficiency. The gray exterior provides a modern aesthetic that fits most kitchen decors. Overall, the Cosori TurboBlaze 6QT Air Fryer is a high-performance appliance for those seeking speed, versatility, and health-conscious cooking, making it a valuable tool for everyday meal preparation. Number 3. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. The Breville BOV860 BSS Smart Oven Air Fryer is a versatile countertop appliance designed to deliver the performance of a traditional oven with added features for convenience and healthier cooking. Crafted in a sleek brushed stainless steel finish, this smart oven combines air frying, convection baking, roasting, broiling, reheating, and more, all in one compact unit. It utilizes Element IQ system technology, which intelligently directs power where and when it's needed most to ensure precise, even cooking every time. With a powerful convection fan, the oven promotes faster and more even heat distribution, reducing cooking times and improving overall efficiency. Its dedicated air fry function allows you to enjoy crispy, golden results with significantly less oil than traditional frying methods, making it a healthier alternative for preparing favorites like fries, chicken wings, and vegetables. The BOV860 BSS features an LCD display for easy navigation and access to its 11 cooking functions, including toast, bagel, bake, broil, pizza, roast, warm, reheat, air fry, and slow cook. Its interior light allows you to monitor food without opening the door, while the non-stick interior cavity makes cleaning hassle-free. With a 0.8 cubic foot capacity, it fits a 13-inch pizza or 6 slices of toast, making it perfect for small families or anyone looking for multifunctionality in a space-saving design. Combining innovation, convenience, and style, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is an ideal addition to any modern kitchen. Number 4. Ninja 4-Quart Air Fryer. The Ninja AF101 Air Fryer is a compact and efficient 4-in-1 kitchen appliance that offers multiple cooking functions, including air frying, roasting, baking, and dehydrating. With a 4-quart capacity, it's ideal for small households or quick meals, allowing users to prepare a variety of dishes such as crispy fries, frozen snacks, vegetables, and meats with ease. Designed for healthier cooking, the air fryer uses up to 75% less oil than traditional frying methods, making it a great option for those seeking low-fat meals without sacrificing flavor or texture. Its high-speed air circulation ensures even cooking and crisp results on the outside while keeping the inside juicy and tender. The AF101 heats quickly and reaches a temperature range of 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for gentle dehydration or rapid cooking depending on your needs. The roast and reheat functions offer additional versatility, letting you recreate leftovers with fresh taste or cook meats and veggies to perfection. The dehydrate mode is also useful for making homemade snacks like dried fruit or chips. Its non-stick basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe, making cleanup simple. With its sleek gray design, it fits neatly on countertops and blends well with modern kitchen decor. The Ninja Air Fryer AF101 is a practical and user-friendly appliance that supports healthy meal preparation with minimal effort, offering excellent performance and a small footprint for everyday cooking needs. Number 5. Ninja DZ071 Foodi FlexBasket Air Fryer. The Ninja DZ071 Foodi 6-in-1 FlexBasket Air Fryer is a versatile and family-sized kitchen appliance designed for cooking full meals with efficiency and precision. Featuring a large 7-quart megazone basket, it offers flexibility for cooking large proteins like whole chickens or roasts. The unique FlexBasket design allows users to switch between a single large cooking area or 2 independent zones using a basket divider, enabling the preparation of 2 different foods simultaneously without flavor transfer. One of its standout features is Smart Finish, which intelligently syncs cooking times for both zones so that everything finishes at the same time, ideal for busy households preparing multiple dishes. With 6 cooking functions including air fry, bake, roast, broil, reheat, and dehydrate, this air fryer replaces several kitchen appliances and supports a wide range of recipes. The appliance promotes healthier cooking by using up to 75% less fat than traditional frying, while still delivering crispy, delicious results. The air fryer comes in a sleek black finish, and its digital controls are user-friendly, making it easy to adjust temperature and time settings. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe components simplify cleanup. Whether you're cooking a single large dish or 2 different meals at once, the Ninja DZ071 is engineered to save time and deliver consistent, high-quality results. Its blend of capacity, cooking variety, and dual-zone technology makes it an excellent option for families and meal preppers alike.